Check out this 2009 Honda Odyssey. You could be the proud second owner of this vehicle. This vehicle appears to be clean of any known CTS clean smell throughout, appears to have never been smoked in. There appears to be no damage beyond normal wear on this vehicle. After close inspection, this vehicle appears to have no current damage. The vehicle looks as new as the day it was first sold. It appears to have always been garaged. This vehicle shifts like a vehicle was meant to shift, perfect. The engine in this vehicle was well maintained by its previous owner and runs like new. There are no electrical problems with this vehicle whatsoever. This vehicle could very well be the best kept secret in the luxury import market. Luxurious interior that's comfortable and convenient with nice access and ease of entry and departure. Carfax guarantees this to be a one-owner car. Carfax for this vehicle shows to be free of issues. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $29,995. Contact the dealership today.